Mahmud ibn Labid, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The thing that I fear most for you is minor shirk, polytheism." They said, "What is minor shirk, O Messenger of Allah?" He said, "It is riya, showing off. Allah Almighty will say on the Day of Judgment, when He will requite all people for their deeds, 'Go to those before whom you used to show off with your deeds in the worldly life, and see whether you find any reward with them." Good Hadith, narrated by Ahmed. Explanation. The Prophet, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, informs that what he fears most for his ummah is minor shirk, which is showing off, i.e., doing good deeds for the sake of people. Then he, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, informs of the punishment of those who show off with their good deeds, as it will be said to them on the Day of Judgment. Go to those for the sake of whom you offered your good deeds, and see if they have the ability to reward you for such deeds. Benefits from the Hadith. Good deeds must be devoted to Allah Almighty with full sincerity, and warning of ostentation must be avoided. The Prophet's great compassion towards his ummah and his keenness to guide and advise them. If this is the Prophet's fear for his companions, who are the most noble in terms of righteousness, then the fear for those who succeed them is far greater.